80 billion naira fraud. Court grants Kogi ex-governor Yahaya Bello 500 million naira bail. Seizes passport, remands him in Kuje prison. If he now sees his passport, Shebi once he can pay the bail money, you will give it back to him. And you will release him from prison. Somebody stole 80 billion naira and you are releasing him on 500 million naira bail. So if he, of course, he's going to get somebody that stole 80 billion naira, he will not be able to pay 500 million naira. He will be able to pay it now. There was indeed a country. There was a country. So you want somebody, the conservative person, to be claiming Nigeria with this kind of atrocities that people are causing, with this kind of thing that people are doing. Somebody stole 80 billion naira and you are telling him that he can be released on bail if he can pay 500 million naira. He will pay it now. The Federal High Court in Abuja has granted 500 million naira bail to former governor of Kogi State, Yahaya Bello, who is standing trial for 80.2 billion naira. Justice Emeka Wite, who presided over the court session on Friday, ordered that the former governor must produce two sureties in like sum. He said the two sureties must swear to an affidavit of means and must be owners of properties in Abuja. Okay now, that they stole as well. In addition, the title document of the properties which must be in Abuja will be verified by the Deputy Chief Registrar of the court. Justice Wite ordered that the ex-governor must deposit his international passport with the court, while he and his two sureties are also to deposit 2 recent passport photographs with the court. Listen, I won't do with them. He also ruled that Bello be remanded at Kuje Correctional Center in Abuja pending the perfection of his bail conditions. Sahara reporters have reported that Bello on Friday pleaded not guilty to the 18-count charge brought against him by the EFCC. The charge is bordering on money laundering, breach of trust, and misappropriation of public funds to the tune of 80.2 billion naira. After the charge was read to him, Bello responded that he was not guilty of all the 18 counts. When the case was called for hearing, counsel for the EFCC, Kemi Pinheiro, SAN, informed Justice Emeka Wite of the Federal High Court Abuja of the intention of the prosecution to withdraw an earlier application for the abridgment of the earlier date fixed for arraignment. Meanwhile, Joseph Daudo's son, representing Bello, did not object to the withdrawal. However, Justice Wite granted the request and struck out the application. I laugh in Nigeria. Sahara reporters have reported that Justice Mariam Anene of the Federal Capital Territory High Court last Tuesday ordered the remand of Bello at Kuje Correctional Center in Abuja over alleged 110 billion naira fraud. The court, which remanded Bello, who fled trial for months in prison pending his bail application, adjourned the case to January 29, February 25, and February 27, 2025 for further hearings. Listen na the year again. It is well. Sahara reporters earlier reported that Justice Anene rejected Bello's bail application, stating it had been filed prematurely. During the bail application hearing, the judge noted before the court is a motion on notice dated and filed on November 22. Now, wow, somebody stole money to that tune. Even if it's not up to 80 billion naira, you know that at least he stole in billions. He stole in billions and you are granting him bail on 500 million naira. And then after that, he can walk freely and go and spend the rest of the money. My country, Nigeria. It is well. Emma Sinton says once Bello meets the condition of his bail and goes home, that will be the end of this matter. The next thing will be judicial drama and circus show for years until the matter is dismissed. Exactly. For lack of evidence and or technicalities. This will be followed by ministerial appointments, abio, or appointments into bigger position in the future to steal more money. That is how that country called Nigeria rules. And you want somebody to be claiming Nigeria, and people are angry that she doesn't want to be called a Nigerian. Look at the kind of things that we allow in this country. It is really well with us, so it is really, really well. And that is why people will keep stealing money, because they know that they will go scot-free. If you want to steal money in this country, don't steal small money. Steal in the tunes of millions, billions, so that you'll be safe, because this is what these people are doing. They steal billions of naira and they tell you to be granted bail once you pay 500 million naira. What's the correlation? That is why small thieves are being killed. You want to go and steal. I'm not saying stealing is good though, but this country is really tiring. And if you want to go scot-free with stealing, make sure that the money you want to steal is very big, so that it will be enough to share to all those people in power, because that is what he has done. He has shared money to all of them now. They cannot judge a case carefully again. They cannot judge a case with their right conscience. You are telling him that once he pays 500 million naira, he will go home scot-free. Meanwhile, somebody that is speaking truth to power is being put in handcuffs. He's being treated like a criminal. The real criminals are smiling to their house. It is really well. Ben says Nigeria and its criminal justice system, Abio, in a good country, Yahaya Bello is supposed to be on his way to the gallows. Exactly. Somebody that steals this kind of money, just sentence him to death straight up. Because why would you be so wicked to steal this kind of money? And yet, people are allowing him to go scot-free by paying 500 million naira. And you think somebody else will not come and steal more than that? Corruption cannot stop in this country. It cannot. It cannot though. Let's not deceive ourselves. It cannot. Prince Adewuyi Taiwo says this is exactly what Dele Faotimi wrote in his book Nigeria and its criminal justice system. Our judiciary has totally failed. Totally. There is no hope for the common man. This statement captures the harsh reality of the justice system in Nigeria, where corruption and inefficiency have eroded public trust. It is high time for reforms to restore fairness, integrity, and access to justice for all citizens, regardless of their social status. I'm telling you, because with this way we are going, this country, the person that called Nigeria is Zulu, he knows what he's saying now. Even me like this, I can't even be proud enough to claim that I'm Nigerian. I can't go outside and say I'm Nigerian because it's a shame. It's a shame. People know about all these things. People are reading our news. People outside the country read our news. They see all these things and they be like, what kind of country is this? And yet you want somebody to be covering up for you, to put Nigeria in good light. Meanwhile, it is bad. There's nothing to cover up. There's nothing to cover up. Now, wow. Don't Dog says moral lessons still big so that you can be able to afford your bill. That's just exactly. If you want to steal money in this country, if you know that stealing is your calling, and you want to steal money in this country, make sure that the money you want to steal is very big. And that is how corruption will continue to thrive in this country, because that is their business. Steal big money, settle every other person, and then go and enjoy your money. Can you just imagine? It is really well. Adbatosh says money don't exchange hands since any other thing Nigeria judiciary are doing about this case is just eye service and formality. Exactly. All these cases has been adjourned is a lie. They're just wasting our time and deceiving us. My listeners, it is well. Over to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.